and sturdy feet. Helpers wave with happy smiles, driving safely mile by mile.
Beep, beep, the horn says hi. Friendly birds fly through the sky. Children wave from every lane, smiling in the sunshine again.
Big strong ladder reaches high, touching clouds up in the sky. Careful helpers climb with pride, working safely side by side.
Splashing water sprays so wide, making rainbows far and wide. Flowers sparkle fresh and bright, everything feels clean and light.
Count the cones along the way, 1 to 5 while we all play. Learning numbers is such fun, everyone can join as one.
Helmet on and boots tied tight, safety first is always right. Kind, brave helpers lend a hand, caring for the neighborhood land.
Puppy watches with delight, tail wagging left and right. Friendly kitty waves hello, watching the bright truck gently go.
Golden sunshine fills the town, happy faces all around. Helping friends both big and small, kindness is the best of all.
As the evening sky turns blue, stars begin to peek right through. Fire truck heads safely home after helping where it's gone.
Thank you helpers brave and kind, you bring smiles to every mind.